Hi, I'm Giancarlo Caldesi and today we're going to make Zabaglione with the help of the instant boiling water from the Zip HydroTap. This is a very simple recipe. Take 2 eggs, you bash them together like Humpty Dumpty. Voila, this one breaks. 1 egg goes in. Now we've got the other egg. And then to measure the actual liqueur, you take 1/2 of the egg that you just broke and you fill it up and you do twice because each egg is half of that. So no problem. Now we need the sugar, which we will do the same. That's 1. Beautiful. Voila. And that's 2. That's even better. There we go. And now the next step, we need to fill up this one with hot water from our Zip HydroTap. And here we go. We need to put the water up to here, and then everything will come in front of our very eyes, and you see how the Zabaglione, which is the cake. See if the water is enough. Yep. And now we need to start beating this before it becomes a scrambled egg. Now the reason why we use a metal bowl, because we need the actual heat to penetrate quite fast. There we go. That is a lovely Zabaglione, and here we go. 1, 2, and 3. There we go.